Adventure 3 is the best choice for 3D printing for beginners. It has a friendly interface design and easy to use powerful functions make 3D printing easy. The Adventure 3 is lightweight and portable. Load and unload filament automatically. Just put the filament in the inlet and wait for loading from the nozzle. The 2.8-inch color touchscreen interface provides printing status in real time. Okay, at the time that I purchased the Adventure 3, I also purchased 1 kilogram, two 1 kilogram spools of thread. That's just one, looks like. Let me see. Okay, yeah, that's a blue, but I also ordered the white, so it should be a white box also in here. And here it is, the Adventure 3. So, now this is the spool. This red spool is I think this is a 2.5 kilogram spool that comes with the machine. Take it out this bubble wrap. And the detachable nozzle makes for a simple, fast nozzle change. Heatable, flexible platform, flexible features allow removal of objects just by bending. 5 connective ways to send the print files quickly. It also supports wireless connection via Wi-Fi. The built-in camera allows through FlashCloud or PolarCloud to monitor the printing process without limitations of time and place. Adventure 3 has excellent printing performance in PLA with a smooth printing service. The closed printing chamber and the heatable platform allow Adventure 3 to support ABS. And that comes off. We need to load the filament. We take the door off. The filament goes in like this. Okay, the filament is in. What I would like to do first is to find out if I can manually calibrate the machine. So first we go into Tools. Then we go into Settings. Then we go into Calibration. Now, it says that to accurately calibrate it, that you should use some paper between the build plate and the nozzle. So that's what we're going to try now. And what I'll do is I'm gonna just put this paper right here underneath the landing spot to see how tight it is. Okay, there's a little resistance, but not much. As you can see, I'm at 0.05, so I'm gonna go down just a hair to 0.4. Now what should happen is the setting should be in and it should go back to home. So now once it gets to home, I can begin to print. Okay, now it's home, so I'm going to come out this menu and I'm going to go to settings. No, I don't want settings. I'm going to come back out to the main menu. And go to build. Now, as you can see, I have a USB already in, and I've loaded some programs. I've been printing, but I've been having a problem with this particular item. It's a bowl, and it really has been giving me fits. So we're going to see if recalibrating, and then this is the build setting right here. We're going to see if recalibrating it will allow it to build better. Now guys, as you know, I've been trying to develop different streams of income, and for me, using this Flash Forge might be a way that I can add another stream of income, because my thought is to create items that I can sell. Okay, oh, I forgot to tell you. Now, the build on this item is 16 minutes. So we're going to see exactly how it works and if having recalibrated helps. Now, if you guys know why the extruder is knocking, I would appreciate it if you leave it in the comments and let me know why my extruder is knocking like that. It only begins to knock when the wrap is being printed. But once the wrap, okay, now I can see it's pulling it up. It's pulling the raft up. Okay, so let's pause it again. Well, I don't know what I've done wrong with this particular print, but it is giving me fits. Anyway, I'm about through for the day anyway. I've been playing with this for a while. Anyway, guys, glad you guys stuck with it to the end, and come back and I'll show you some of the items that I've printed and what I'm planning on doing with them.